Are you tired of blenders that just don't deliver? Meet the Ninja BL660, a blender that many customers rave about. Customers describe it as powerful and effective, creating delicious smoothies effortlessly. This blender is highly praised for its solid build. With its strong motor, it blends everything quickly, from frozen fruits to tough vegetables. Users appreciate its ease of use, thanks to simple controls that make smoothie preparation a breeze. Cleaning is a hassle for many, but not with this model. The Ninja BL660 is dishwasher safe and easy to disassemble, making cleanup fast and convenient. Customers love that they can keep it clean without much effort, which is ideal for anyone with a busy lifestyle. Value is a big topic in customer reviews. Many find it offers high performance for its price, often comparing it to high-end brands at a fraction of the cost. The sleek design also makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen. However, not everything is perfect. Some customers mention experiencing issues with the blender breaking within months of use, with reports of cracks and durability concerns. It's essential to handle the unit with care during cleaning to avoid any damage. Let's break it down further. The blender's performance is often described as extraordinary, quickly producing smooth, creamy results. A user states, "It blends everything smoothly in seconds." Some customers highlighted specific features, like the 72-ounce pitcher, which is perfect for large batches. There are also 2 on-the-go cups for convenience on busy mornings. Overall, customers find the Ninja BL660 to be a powerful, durable, and high-quality investment for their blending needs. Many would recommend it to anyone searching for a dependable blender. In summary, the Ninja BL660 blender delivers powerful blending performance and ease of cleaning. While some users face durability issues, it remains a favorite thanks to its features, value for money, and user-friendly design. Are you ready to upgrade your blending game? Consider the Ninja BL660. You won't be disappointed. Check it out today and experience the difference for yourself.